Moving on from orders to features and services. Features and services is the widget that will enable you to view and, here's the important part, manage the customer's features and services. This is arguably the most powerful widget in the Customers tab. And because it's so important, I'm going to expand the features and services widget so we can get a better look. Notice that you can filter the list by status, service, user, and location, and you can always sort throughout this widget by the column header. Notice in the upper left-hand corner of the Features and Services widget, there are 3 tabs. There's the Account Services tab, the User Services, and the Seat Packages. Let's start at Account Services. This is where you remove account services. To remove account services, check the box next to the status column heading, or check the box of each individual service you wish to remove and click Remove. Or to remove an individual service, you can also click the trash icon in the Actions column for that service. Moving one tab over from Account Services to User Services, on the User Services tab, you can filter, sort, suspend, resume, and remove user services, either individually or all at once. Much like many of the filterings on the other tabs, here you can also filter the list by status, service, user, and location, and you can always sort by column header. Staying in the User Services tab, here, you may need to suspend user services. To suspend all user services, check the box next to the status column heading, or check the box of each individual service you wish to suspend. To suspend multiple services or an individual service, click the Suspend Services button. To suspend an individual service, you can also click the suspend icon on the right in the Actions column for that service. If one or more services has been suspended, you can resume those services using the Resume button on the bottom. Now, one more tab over in the Seat Packages tab. On the Seat Packages tab, you can filter, sort, change, suspend, resume, and remove seat packages. You can do so either individually or all at once. Like the other tabs inside Features and Services, you can filter the list by status, service, user, and location, and you can always sort by column header. On the Seat Packages tab, you can change all seat packages or select individual seat packages and click Change Packages, or by clicking on the Change icon in the Actions column on the far right for that service. When you do so, a dialog box will appear listing the seat packages you selected to change. If you are changing multiple seat packages, you can use the search box to filter the list, or use the icons in each column to sort from top to bottom or vice versa. Now, you may need to indicate when these changes take effect. To do so, click inside the Due Date field. A calendar will appear. Select the date and time when you want your changes to take effect. In the Seat Package 2 column, click the drop-down arrow and select a new product for each package you want to change. The list price and final price, as you may notice, are automatically updated to reflect this change. You can also suspend all seat packages or select individual seat packages to suspend. If one or more seat packages has been suspended, you can also resume services for them using the Resume button on the bottom. You can also remove multiple or individual seat packages using this widget. To remove an individual seat package, you can also click the trash icon on the right in the Actions column for that service.